Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to FS23. Today, we are going to, that's a bit loud actually, I'm going to turn that down a little. Today we have two fields we got to harvest. I've done a little bit of stuff to this stave. So I'm not good with controls yet, so I got that, right? This. There we go. I'm still getting used to the controls. I know it's been, well, at least for me, it's been almost a week, but I haven't played with the Xbox controller yet. So that is kind of where I'm getting all this right now. We're going to try here and cultivate some. All we're going to really plan on doing today is soybeans, get them done, but it is definitely different than 22. Oof. I gotta slow down my steering sensitivity as well. This is the first mobile farming simulator that I have actually played, so it's a bit different. I don't know, what I really want to do is kind of sell one of these two, because I still have both tractors, but I'm not sure if I should or not. I'm going to leave that up to you guys in the comments. However, with all of this, we have this tractor here with the seeder, and that one there. I'm going to bring it kind of over by the combine. He's empty. He shouldn't be full for a while. But there's no season, so you can kind of plant stuff whenever. So that's what we're going to end up probably doing. Probably going to end up planting pretty soon here. Maybe even in this video. They're kind of close to colliding, but it'll be fine, because he should stop. And then there. But we'll get this maybe time-lapsed a little bit, and I'll see you guys once we are done with this field.
Did everything that I thought a man should do. Hell, I was faithful as a dog, and I saved all my love just for you. Because you were my queen, my all and everything in this life. But you cheated and you lied, you let all love die, left me to wither on the vine. I'm getting high. Yeah, I like the cocaine, I like the whiskey too. And I like all of these wicked things I'm learning how to do. Yeah, and I like the dark side, and I like the wild ride, and I like the dirty girls too. Yeah, 'cause when I'm on this cocaine, I don't give a damn about you. Oh, that's a tainter, baby. man shouldn't do. Hell, I stay drunk every day. I'm always stoned before noon. Because you were my queen, all and everything in this life. That's why I'm smoking all this rock, to kill all these thoughts, and burn you clean out of my mind. And I'm getting high, and I like the cocaine, I like the whiskey too. And I like all of these wicked things I'm learning how to do. Yeah, 'cause I like the dark side, and I like the wild ride, and I like the dirty girls too. Yeah, 'cause when I'm on this cocaine, I don't give a damn about you. Oh, really one out, son. Yeah, I like the cocaine, I like the whiskey too. And I like all of these wicked things I'm learning how to do. Yeah, and I like the dark side, and I like the wild ride, and I like the dirty girls too. Yeah, 'cause when I'm on this cocaine, I don't give a damn about you. Yeah, I like the cocaine, I like the whiskey too. Yeah, I like all of these wicked things I'm learning how to do. Yeah, I like the dark side, and I like the wild ride, and I like the dirty girls too. Yeah, 'cause when I'm on this cocaine, I don't give a damn about you. Yeah, 'cause when I'm on this cocaine, I don't give a damn about you. Hey, ball.
That'll be it for today, folks. I hope you do enjoy. If you did, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It helps me out a lot. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.